Boat Afloat, written by Linda Palacio Shearer, read with 432 Hz healing frequency. Dedicated to little saints, young Maccabees, and every child who loves to dream. Once upon a dream afloat, a child was on a boat. Nestled gently on a stream of mist, the boat softly rocked and swayed. It glided between sleepy buildings and forgotten old towns. Not one soul could be found. The boat floated under fuzzy streetlights in the thick, gray early morning air. In and out of quiet cities, fast asleep, gently rocking here and there. The mist's current flowed through golden fields of wheat, passing by dusty old country roads, beyond the limitation of streets, along tame deer paths and quiet forest deep, then flying past peacefully sleeping beasts in a wild safari, a vast world as big as a child could see, floating above gentle river streams and beneath strong water fallings, across salty air over blue waves rolling, below white-winged seagulls swaying on the breeze, petting happy dolphins in mid-leap, a vast sea as far as a child could see, with the river of mist beginning to hang low, surrounded by the echo of whale songs, diving deeper into a new reality, drifting slowly toward where the lost balloons go when they are set free, an ocean of purple, orange, yellow, and green, a sea of ovals, squares, and hearts melted together in the warm, salty air on a thinning breeze. A vast sky full of balloons as far as the child could see. The mist of early morning air, glowing softly under the street lamps, fell like morning dew through the child's window as they lay fast asleep. A house as quiet as a dream, a mystical world as far as the child could see. Once upon a deep sleep afloat, a child went sailing upon mist in a boat. Author bio. Linda lives in Florida by the beach with her daughter in blue and two cats, Princess Powder and Queen Callie, on the right.